they filled in the gaps in the areas where I didn't have knowledge or the experience. And I think that's one of the things that's great about being part of Ion is you have people, you don't have to know it all, because you can lean on the experience of other people, and you have people that can fill in those gaps where you just don't have the experience, or the knowledge. The previous evening, Chris, who's my team lead, he got on the call with me, and we just spoke with him together. And Chris actually got on a couple calls with the individual and myself. Was started the process with the line of credit. I know that he's had conversations with him. He followed up with him as well. So it wasn't just me following up with him. I was on the side just, every week. Hey, just want to make sure that you're being taken care of. If you have any questions, then let me know. And that was pretty much it, and just, I know that he's busy. So I most of the time I just send him a text, and every once in a while would call. But for the most part, most of it was done through text, just send him a message, So